You can calculate the age of person in an Excel worksheet. There are many formulas to calculate age of person, but this formula calculates correct age of person. If you have entered birth date of person in a cell and you want to know how old this person is, first active this cell. In formulas bar, function library group. Click math and trigonometric arrow button. Scroll down. Click integer function. Click in formula bar. Nest the today function with an integer function. Type today function. Open and close brackets. Enter subtraction operator. Click this cell reference. Enter division operator. Type 365. You know 365 days are in 1 year. How does formula work? Today function will return the current date. Then integer function will subtract the two date values. After dividing date value by 365, it returns the result in simple number. Press enter. Active this cell. Right click. Click Format Cell. The Format Cell dialog box opens. Select the number category. Reduce the decimal places to 0. Click OK. You have age of person. The age of that person is 31 years. In this way, you can calculate the age of person in an Excel worksheet.